All right, all right, all right. Athletic robots. About to make a personal break video. We got 2020 Topps Chrome Wrestling. I'm not sure the official name. It says Topps Chrome 2020 trading cards. I would have assumed it's the WWE, but or wrestling, but it doesn't really say, I guess. 7 packs, 3 exclusive X-Fractor parallel cards. This is a blaster box. 4 cards per pack. And 31 cards per box. I believe is what that says. Ages 6+, so if you're younger than 6, you can't have these. The autographed odds are 1 in 135, it looks like. That's not bad. I don't know. I don't quite know how to read these. I don't ever have the patience either. So here we go. This is my friend Beef, basically, because as you'll see as I open these, I'm not really too familiar with the current wrestling scene. But, if we pull some all-time greats, like Andre the Giant and stuff, I'll definitely know who that is. So, plus, hopefully they say who they are on the card. That'll be super ultra helpful. In case we pull something fantastic, my wife for Christmas did get me the Cha-Ching Boom sound effects machine, Boing Burp. 12 studio quality noises. Be jealous. So that's mine, not yours. And oh yeah. So we'll go ahead and use that if we get, when we get some cool cards. See what we get here. Oh, we got a little special pack. The empty packs. We got the Topps Chrome WWE 3 trading cards pack. I bet these are the, let's see, what were they called? The 3 exclusive X-Fractor parallels. Excuse me. So, let's see who we got. We got Samoa Joe. That's pretty cool. Samoa Joe. Card number 1. Then we got Angel Garza. Samoa Joe was with Raw. This guy is a rookie card with NXT. So, got a rookie. That's good, I think. And we got another rookie card, Dexter Loomis. He looks normal. He will stare at you. Nice earring as well. He's not, just going to stare at you. He'll stare at you with style. So, Dexter's rookie card. Looks like Dexter's 6'2", 239 from undisclosed location. Yeah, so sweet. Who's next? I wonder the average longevity of a wrestler. We got Shayna Baszler, NXT wrestler. Joaquin Wilde, rookie card. Is that a tattooed head? Or maybe just some hairspray. Interesting. Then we got the Xavier Woods SmackDown card. That's cool looking. The guy he's about to destroy is like gradient in there. That's cool. And then this one here looks like it's some kind of refractor. Yes, it is a refractor. This is Io Shirai. Io Shirai. Refractor. Signature move, the moonsault. Height, 5'1" from Tokyo, Japan. Perennial contender to Shayna Baszler's championship. So that indicates Shayna Baszler is good. Didn't we see it? We saw a Shayna Baszler card, didn't we? Yeah, okay. So these two guys must wrestle each other. Oh boy. So there's the first regular pack. Who's next? All right, we got Shorty G. Shorty G is 5'8". Signature move, Chaos Theory. So Shorty G from SmackDown. Then we have Ruby Riott. Ruby Riott. I should have known that. From Raw. Looks like her signature move is the Riot Kick. 5'4" from Lafayette, Indiana. We got a fantasy matches, Eddie Guerrero versus Andrade. The Lucha Libre. And last card of the pack, we got a Roderick Strong refractor. Signature move, End of Heartache. From Tampa, Florida, NXT next. Wrestler. That guy looks like he thinks he's cool. Kushida. Signature move, Sakuraba Lock. From Tokyo, Japan. 5'9". Rhea Ripley. Rookie card from Next Wrestling. NXT. Rhea Ripley, signature move, the Riptide. Next, we got Bailey from SmackDown. These cards are cool. The people in the background are like ghosts, almost. Gradient looking. But the Bailey signature move is the Bailey to Belly Suplex. My guess is there's a lot of ab workouts involved to be able to do that. And here we go with a Sasha Banks SmackDown Refractor. Signature move, bank statement. 5'5" from Boston. The boss. So, looks like she thinks she's the boss. Interesting how seems like there's probably a 50-50 mix of men and women wrestlers nowadays. The audience must rather watch women wrestle or something. The Fiend, Bray Wyatt from SmackDown. I've heard something about this person, this wrestler. The Fiend, signature move, Mandible Claw. 6'3", 285 pounds. Okay. That's cool. And then we got Ivar. Looks like he's about to pummel that guy. Signature move, the Viking Experience. Ivar is my guess. Ivar, I don't know. Rikishi. Legends card. Rikishi, 6'1", 425 from the Isle of Samoa. Signature move, the Stink Face. That's cool. Don't think I've ever heard of Rikishi and the Stink Face. Ricochet is the Refractor. That's a cool card. Not sure who Ricochet is from Raw. But it says 630 Splash is his signature move. 5'9", 188 from Paducah, Kentucky. Paducah, Kentucky is halfway between my house and my dad's house. So that's interesting. It's the halfway point. All right, here we go with Mandy Rose from SmackDown. She doesn't really look like a wrestler to me. Let's see what Mandy's signature move is. Mandy does the Kiss the Rose. 5'4", doesn't say her weight. What's up with that? Interesting. Not a rookie card. Seth Rollins, Raw. Seth does the Stomp. He's from Davenport, Iowa. I live in Iowa, so that's cool. 6'1", 217. Looks like he defeated Brock Lesnar in the Universal for the Universal Championship. And then speaking of, Brock Lesnar ends the streak. This is a cool looking card. Some kind of refractor. Let's see here. Well, doesn't say refractor on back, but clearly it's got the refractor look, so that's cool. Brock Lesnar ends the streak 4-6 of 14. Oh, okay, I see. He beat The Undertaker. So that's cool. And last card of the pack, we got Nikki Cross, SmackDown. She's pretty upset. She's gonna get you. So, Nikki Cross, refractor. Signature move, the purse. 5 foot tall from Glasgow, Scotland. Interesting. SmackDown refractor. Here we go with Adam Cole, NXT wrestler. Signature move, last shot from Panama City, Florida. Been there. We got another Io Shirai, Io from Tokyo. Another Roderick Strong from the NXT Wrestling. Signature move, End of Heartache. And here we go with a Kevin Owens Raw refractor. Signature move, Stunner. 6 foot, 266. Better get him out the buffet. Clear it out. Raw wrestler. And last pack of the break. We got another Sasha Banks SmackDown card. That's the base. Bank statement, 5'5" from Boston. We got another Ricochet card. Ricochet. 630 splash. We got Asuka. Looks like no, not a refractor. Asuka does the Asuka lock from Osaka, Japan. Asuka from Osaka. No, I'm saying that's not a tongue twister. Say that 82 times fast. Kabuki Warriors. And the last card of the break, we got a Drew McIntyre refractor from the Raw Wrestling. Signature move, the Claymore Kick. 6'5", 254 from Ayr, Scotland. The Scottish Psychopath. Interesting. Oh, he's just so psycho. All right, guys, that there is the break of 2020 WWE Topps Chrome cards. 31 cards total. That was 7 packs plus 3 exclusive X-Fractors. Obviously, I don't really know if I got anything, so I'll just pack these up and take a look at them some other time. So that's the video. See ya!